Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
The things we do before these videos to get her to laugh is just priceless. So first off, we are gonna read you out a recall that's happened on the Bronco Sport. Now this is an older recall, I guess from maybe a couple weeks ago. I've looked on the line, or I've looked on the YouTube and stuff. I've not seen much about it. And the only thing I've actually seen is the fact that they were thinking one was coming out. Well, this is the recall notice. Now we don't have a Bronco Sport. This is one that she gets, a sample one that actually goes through their system. Now on yours, it will have your VIN number and everything like that if you get one. Now I wouldn't go with waiting for your piece of paper to come in for a couple reasons. One, you might not get the recall because it might not affect your car. It does go by VIN numbers, and again, if it doesn't affect your car, you won't get one. But I wouldn't rely on that because personally, I've had 3 recalls on my Toyota 4Runner. I got one to my address, the first one, perfect. I got the second one at my parents' address up in Virginia. I live in Florida. I don't know how the hell that happened, but it did. So whatever. And the third one, I got notified by the dealership, actually, the Toyota Service Center actually called me and said, hey, there's a recall. We had no idea anything was out there. So again, the easiest way that you guys can do this is contact your service center with basically the information.
And your VIN.
And your VIN, yeah, make sure you have your VIN.
That's most important.
Basically your information, your VIN, and let them know that you're looking for the recall for the Bronco Sport, and the number, again, I'll put it down below, is 21S04. Again, simple. I will link it down below, or I will put it in the description below. It's the first line in there. That way you don't have to dig for it. I'll make it easy. And also, before I read through this and tell you what exactly it's about, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We are trying to build up our subscribers. We are almost to 100. We did hit 100 for a couple hours. We thank you guys for getting us to that point. And then two people unsubscribed. So we're back down to 98. So whatever you guys can do, it would help. Show us that you guys appreciate what we're doing, and show us that we actually are doing the right thing, and that you guys will actually want to see this. Now, for any of the Bronco people that are actually still watching, because this isn't a Bronco one, it's a Bronco Sport, we are going to do the same thing for the Bronco as well. So again, please subscribe. We'll keep you guys in basically a heads up on anything that comes up via issues, warranty, or recalls for the Bronco and Bronco Sport.
That come across my desk.
Again, she does work at a Ford dealership. Yeah. She does have the access to the dealer systems that Ford sends the information like this to the Ford dealerships. So she looks at it on a daily basis. That's part of what she does during her job. And we figured this would be a good thing to help the community out and basically get help you guys out along with us. So
drop comments down below if you had any issues with any of your vehicles, like the Bronco Sport.
Okay, what's the issue? So it's basically the rear suspension subframe bolts that are missing or loose. That's pretty much point blank. That's pretty much exactly what it says. Now, what's the risk? Loose or missing bolts may affect the vehicle stability. Obviously, if there's missing or loose bolts, it creates a little bit less stable vehicle, more prone to crash and injury if there is a crash. What will Ford and the dealer do? Basically, what Ford has authorized the dealer to do is basically inspect and repair or replace or tighten or whatever, all the hardware that's under it. And it doesn't go just for the rear suspension bolts. It actually goes for a lot more than that. I was surprised. So what they're going to do is basically inspect the fuel filler pipe and hose, the cold end exhaust,
Rear spring.
rear springs.
Brake line and drive line components, and they're going to repair it as necessary.
So they're going above and beyond just that. They want to make sure your car's, you know, top notch, 100%. All the bolts are tight. Everything's there as it should have been when you bought it.
Yeah.
How long does it take? They say about a half a day, but again, depending on where you are and your service center, how busy they are, and COVID situation around where you are, it may take longer. I'm privileged because she works at a Ford dealership. She just takes the vehicle there, drops it off before work, and picks it up after work. I wish everybody could do that. I don't have to ever go to a dealership. She just does it for me. I love her to death for it. So
You're so spoiled.
I am. I have her just for that.
And to clean your house.
Well, that's sexist. Jesus Christ. What kind of pig do you think I am? So, what should you do? As I stated before, you should call your dealer, make sure you have a VIN number. That's something you're going to really need. And they can actually look up in their systems if your car is affected by the recall. With the VIN number and the recall notice that they should already have, they should actually be able to tell you within a couple minutes whether your car is affected by the recall and schedule an appointment to get it repaired. As far as the next pieces are basically just nothing really. What if you no longer have the vehicle? Obviously, you just bought it. If you got rid of it already, I don't know.
You have bigger issues.
Yeah, bigger issues. So, again, you know, don't rely on this paper coming to your house. Again, like I said before, I've had 3 recalls on my Toyota. One came here, one came to my parents, which again, I have no idea how it got there. I didn't give nobody the address. I had a car serviced up by her a long time ago, and all of a sudden she got the notice. And the third one, again, I got notified by the dealership. I didn't get, and I still have not received a letter for the 3rd recall for the Toyota. So don't rely on this. Give them a call. Takes 5 minutes max, and you'll basically have a peace of mind whether your car is affected by the recall or not. Yeah. So again, don't wait for the letter, don't wait for a call. With this is a important safety recall. It says it on the very top of the thing right there, and it is through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. That is such a hard, you guys got to really freaking come up with a different name for that.
National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, so the
That's what I say.
NHTSA.
Yeah, that. It is such a, you guys can't make it shorter, but.
We also have a vehicle safety hotline. We can link that below
Yeah, we can do
in the
that.
description. And they also have a Safecar.gov website that we can go ahead and link down below too.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
if you guys own a Bronco Sport and are concerned about your rear assembly, please give your service center a call.
Yeah. Thank you for watching it. I really don't like doing recalls and stuff like that. It's usually bad news. I'd rather have good news like, hey, everything's perfect, but nobody watches those. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and hopefully you won't hear from us about recalls and warranty issues anymore.
At least, not for a while.
At least for a while. Until the Bronco comes out.
Yeah, because I actually looked today and there wasn't anything.
Okay. So again, hope you liked the video. Hope it's helpful. Again, if you have any comments about whether this has affected you, what they did, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear you guys'
If you have
thoughts.
any questions
And
for me, that'd be fine too. Go ahead and put them down below, and I'll be happy to help you.
okay. See ya. Next video.
Bye.